If you've ever wanted to feature live, interactive Excel data directly on your WordPress website, without installing any plugins or manually uploading files every time you update a chart, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to embed a live Excel spreadsheet into any WordPress page or post, so your visitors always see the latest data, updates, and changes instantly and seamlessly. Let's dive straight in. The beauty of this method is that it's straightforward and keeps things in sync between your Excel file and your website, meaning you'll never have to manually update your website every time your worksheet changes. But a quick heads up, we'll be using a live embedding approach through OneDrive and OfficeCom. So if you already have a Microsoft account, you're halfway there. First, we need to store your Excel file somewhere online so it can be shared with your website. You'll want to upload your file to OneDrive, or if you prefer, just open it using Excel for the web. If you've never used OneDrive, don't worry, it's as simple as dragging and dropping your file into the OneDrive web interface. Think of OneDrive as your secure cloud locker, keeping your spreadsheet accessible from anywhere, while also powering our next steps. Once your file is comfortably resting in OneDrive, open it in your browser by navigating to OfficeCom. This takes you to a familiar Excel interface, but it's all running online. Now here comes the nifty part. We're going to generate an embed code that lets you display your live Excel sheet inside a web page. At the top, click on File, then look for the Share option. In the drop-down, select Embed. A side panel appears where you get to customize how your Excel data will look on your website. Take your time here, you can adjust the width and height to make sure it fits perfectly on your page. You'll also have options like allowing viewers to sort and filter your table or interact with slicers. This is more than just a static screenshot. It's an interactive window into your actual spreadsheet. For example, if you're sharing sales data, viewers will be able to sort by highest numbers or focus just on a specific month, right from your site. After you're happy with your settings, click the button to generate the embed code. What you'll see is a snippet of HTML code, specifically an iframe tag. This is what will create a little window into your Excel sheet. Copy this code carefully. If you ever embedded a YouTube video into a website, it's a very similar process. Now swing over to your WordPress page or post editor. Decide where you want your Excel data to appear. Add a custom HTML block. It's often labeled custom HTML in the WordPress block editor. Don't let the name scare you. You're not writing code, just pasting what you already copied. Paste in your iframe embed code right into the block. Once you update or preview your post, you'll see your actual Excel spreadsheet right there on the page. If you make changes in your original OneDrive file, those changes will show up automatically on your site, no extra uploading or code tweaking. And that's all there is to it. Embedding live Excel data into WordPress is a fantastic way to keep your web content interactive and always up to date. Plus, it keeps things neat and saves you time on repetitive updates. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or want to share how you're using embedded Excel sheets in your own site, drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas and I always try to reply. And if you want more practical WordPress tips, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy embedding.